Hi, grade 6. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher Iman channel. Today I will explain lesson 3, but before I will go to do so, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. This is my channel. I hope to act with my channel and make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today our lesson is today we will explain lesson 3. Last class we ended from lesson 2. I would like to every video I would like to explain one lesson only, because I know that your syllabus is full of information and knowledge but I would like to explain only one lesson only to be easy to study. Okay, let's go to our lesson today. Here we have a story about hair, and in this part we have a story about hair gets curled. Okay, what's the meaning of hair? Hair is an animal like a rabbit but larger, which can run very quickly. This is the meaning of hair. So I will repeat hair again. Hair is an animal like a rabbit but larger, which can run very quickly, and the hare live in wild habitat. Okay, hare live in wild habitat. Okay, let's go to continue our lesson today. We have here hair, skirt. Skirt is an adjective, as we know. Stomach, voice, forest, lake. I will repeat after me. Hair, skirt, stomach, voice, forest, and lake. Let's go to another one here. Here we have an extra vocab. I would like to say this group is all this group is adjective. Sunny, loud, favorite, delicious, the strongest. Strongest, can you say me strongest is which is comparative or superlative? I'm saying you are. I'm listening saying Miss Iman is superlative. Okay, you are clever pupils, so because we explained superlative and comparative many times. So you are. I think you are remember or not. Okay, you are remember. I will repeat it again. Okay, if this lesson we will take later, I will explain again. Here we have the strongest there and adding est to the adjective, as we know the superlative compare with what? Compare one with what? With more. When we use the superlative comparative, when we make a comparative between two persons. I will explain here to be clear on the separated paper. We have the superlative form. Superlative form. We use superlative form to with what? Superlative. We have here superlative form to compare a one with more. Okay, means we say he is the superlative. The superlative compare one with more. Compare one with more. One with more. Okay, one with more. Like we say, one with more. One with more. Okay, one with, like we say, he is the strongest one. He is the strongest one. He is the strongest. No one is stronger than him. Okay, he is the strongest one. He is the strongest one. So I compare one person with more. Okay, strongest one. So here we have there, and we have est. So here I compare this person by more. So here we have there, and we have est to the superlative. This is called the superlative. When we do the comparative, what can I do the comparative? I will say you how to do the comparative. when we use comparative, we use when we compare the comparative is to compare between two persons. The comparative is between two persons. Is between two persons. Two is between two things. Two things or persons or anything. Two things or persons or anything. Okay. Two things or persons. Things or persons or persons. Okay. Or persons. So here we compare two persons with each other. Like say Mona or Ahmed is or we can say, for example, he is Mona is taller than Noah. For example, okay, Mona is taller than for example is taller than Noah. So here I compare Mona by what? By Noah. So here we have then. Here we have this one. Okay. I would like to underline it, or I would like to underline or to make a when we say here, when you say taller than, here is taller than, okay, ER and then, okay. So I compare two persons by each other. Compare here two persons by each other, okay. This one. Taller than, okay. Here's taller than. So I compare two persons by we have ER and we have then. Okay, this is called the comparative. When we make a superlative by what? One person, the superlative. I will repeat it again. The superlative. Why we repeat it again? To understand me. Okay, to understand. If you can't understand, you understand it again. The superlative. Compare one with more. One with more. Okay, one with more. Okay, compare one with what? With more. Okay, like say he is the strongest one, for example. He is, when we say he is the strongest one, he is, we say here, he is the strongest one. He is the strongest one, the strongest one, the strongest. I think now it's clear, okay? I think now is the comparative and superlative is very clear and it's easy to understand, okay? And easy to understand. Here is the strongest one. So I compare one by more. Compare one by what? By more. Here is the difference between the comparative and the superlative. I think now we understand how to do it. Okay. Let's return to our lesson today. Here we have the strongest, afraid, grass, noise, clever, both, the previous, sorry, suddenly, surprised, interested, the biggest. We have either the biggest, the bravest, the strongest. All this called what? Called superlative, as we know in the previous page. We have here mice, finally. I will repeat this vocab again. Here we have sunny, loud, favorite, delicious, the strongest, afraid, grass, noise, clever, both, the previous, sorry, suddenly, surprised, interested, the biggest, mice, finally. Here we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. As we know before that irregular verbs, what can I make a difference? What can I distinguish, or what can I know the regular and irregular verb? As we told before, that regular verb adding ed only to the verb, but irregular verb, the verb is changed completely, like this: lie, lay, come, came, go, went. Go is not here, but I'm saying some of irregular verbs. Go, went, drink, drank. Can say also wake, walk. We can say also go, went, speak, spoke. All these are this is like this: speak, spoke, told. So the verb changes correctly in the irregular verb, but in irregular verb we add ed only, like this: remembered, moved, shouted, loved. Let's go to know more expressions and phrases in this book. Here we have run back home. Can say, Miss Iman, we must know this expression and phrases? Yes. Why? Because we are writing a paragraph. So this expression and the phrases help us to write the paragraph. Okay, because the paragraph comes from the topics that we learned during the year. So the expressions and phrases is important for us for writing. Okay, so we must know the expression and phrases that we learned during the lesson. Here we have run back home, come in, look at each other. For is everybody knows. For is everybody knows. Run away. Run away is an expression that we know. I think this is not strange for us. We know, we took it before. Get to. We have here stay where you are. Run out. Afraid of. Ask for help. Here we have here we have a notes I would like to note. There is a hare in my house. It means an animal. Something is moving inside her house. This let's read the story and know what about the hare. As we told you before, that the story consists of 3 parts. What is the parts of the story consist of? Consists of beginning, middle, and the end. Let's read the story together and know more about this story, okay? And enjoy it with each other. It's a sunny day, and the hare lies in the grass. Suddenly, her stomach makes a loud noise. Here, remember, sometimes our stomachs is like that, is do that. We can hear a loud sound from it. Okay. Here, remember the carrots in the kitchen, in her kitchen. She's hungry. Okay. Here is related as is treated as a girl. Okay, not a boy. Here runs back home, but when she gets to her, in this story, he personalized the hare as a person. Okay, is not is a rabbit, but he saying he's a rabbit, but here he personalized the story as a character, as a person. See, we use it as a person. Hare runs back home, but when she gets to her door, she stops. What if that noise? Something is moving inside her house. Is somebody there? Asks her. Stay where you are, says aloud in a voice. Hare is very surprised. Who is in her house? Then the voice speaks again. Hare, don't come in. If you come in, I will eat you. Hares are my favorite food. Hare is scared. The animal which is in her house wants to eat her. Hare runs to the forest. Where her clever friend Monkey lives. Monkey, please help me, says her. There is an animal in my house. There is an animal in my house, and it wants to eat me. Monkey looks interested at animal. So here we have interested as edy, because here is treated the monkey as a person. Okay, an animal. Let's go and see. Monkey says. They go back to her house. Who's in there? Shouts Monkey. A voice answers. Monkey, don't come in. I will eat you if you come in. Hares are my favorite food, but monkeys are also delicious. Monkey and hare look at each other. They are both very scared. They run to the lake where their friend elephant lives. There is an animal which eats hares and monkeys in hare's house. They tell elephant, we need your help. Don't worry, says elephant. I'm coming. I'm the biggest, strongest, bravest. So here we have the superlative: biggest, strongest, and bravest. This is the superlative that I explained in the previous page. Animal in the world, nobody can eat me. Elephant goes to her door. I'm coming in. He shouts. Stop, Save the animals, says the animal inside. I'm hungry and I love to eat. You can't eat me, shouts elephant. I'm the biggest, the strongest. Here is the end of the story. Suddenly, her door opens and a small mouse runs out. Elephant jumps high in the air. He is very scared. For as everybody knows, elephants are afraid of mice. I think the elephant afraid of mice is funny. I think it's funny. Elephants are afraid of mice. Help! A mouse! Cries elephant, and he quickly runs away. Mouse looks at her and monkey. I'm sorry, she says. Are you angry? Her, yes, I think it's angry. You can't angry. You can't not angry. What? Hare and monkey start to laugh. No, we are not angry. They say, what scares you might be much smaller than you. They all laughed again. Then Hare goes inside. To finally eat her carrots. The moral of the story: what scares you might be much more scare much what scares you might be much smaller than you. The mouse here. Here's the mouse. Okay. Who is in her house? Mouse. The mouse. Okay. In the hare's house, we have what? We have a mouse. Okay, a small mouse. A small mouse. In the hare's house, we have a small mouse. I will write it here. Small mouse. Small mouse. Why her skirt? Why her skirt? Why her skirt? Why her skirt here? Why her skirt here? Let's know how her skirt. High skirt because they want to high skirt, but why? Because there is a skirt because there is an animal inside the house. Uh, uh, because there is an animal in her house. Yes, here. Because they why is skirt? Because they listen. They have a noise that something is moving inside her house. Okay, because they listen a noise. Because they listen a noise. Because 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 she listened a noise inside house. Because it's a noise. Because it's a noise in her house. A noise in her house. A noise of something moving, a noise of something moving, a noise of something moving, a noise of something moving. Something moving inside them. Something moving inside house. Let's go to another one here. Here we have notes. Let's learn it together. Where characters speak in stories, we show it in the punctuation quotation like this. Here's our very favorite food. Don't worry. Here is the quotation. This is called the quotation. That's something that someone saying. Okay, like this. Is somebody there? Say, ask it monkey. We use verb say, shout, and ask to say who is speaking. No, we aren't angry, said hare and monkey. Here is a pronunciation. Let's pronounce these words together, this vocab together. Here we have cut, trake, hot, cut, trake. We have here cut, trake. Here we have cut, trake, hot, buck, stuck, uncle, hungry, stomach, funny, come. Here we have nuts, duck, honey, brush, and onion. I will repeat and repeat after me again. Here we have cut, trade, hot, bug, stuck, uncle, hungry. We say uncle. Hungry, stomach, funny, come. We have nuts, duck, honey, brush, and onion. Let's go to another item here. Here is the spelling of AE like this. We have here we have cat, track, hat, bag, steak, ankle, animal, angry, happy, Harry. Okay, let's go to the connection with mathematics. Here is called I think decimal. I think you are taken in mathematics is decimal 1.88 to so here we have when we have one, make a nearest to a nearest one. Here is 1.88. So when we make say approximate or say to the nearest number to approximate. Yes, approximate. I'm saying good. I'm saying right. I'm good at mathematics, but I hate mathematics at all. Here is we have approximate. So here I approximate to the nearest number. There is number 1 and 8. So when the number is more than 5 or 5 or more, it will be we approximate to the nearest number like this. 2. Here we have here this number can't approximate. Why? Because it is less than 5. Here is 1. Okay. Let's answer the question below this topic. I love space stories, writing, reading, making, buying. I love what I love. Here I love here can say I love here reading. I think reading stories. Reading stories. Here, I can say writing or reading. So here we have the lesson because I will leave it. Okay, don't. I believe. I think it's lesson depend on lesson from my teacher. I start from number 2. Ali was very space, so he eat an apple. was what? He was Ali want to eat, so Ali will be what? Will be hungry. So I put here hungry. Number D, the answer it will be number D. This is hungry. So the answer it will be hungry. This one. There is someone here. I can hear his voice. My uncle drives a white space every day. White truck. My sister is afraid of darkness. The dog is a space in the hole. It can't get out. The dog is stuck. When you have a problem, you ask for help. You ask for help. Ask for help. Let's go to another one here. Here one. I like to go to a walk and run every day. Yesterday I went for a walk and ran on the space on the track and ran on the track. I saw a very cute space, a cute cat. The cat's space was hurt. The cat's space was here is trick. Cat. The cat's was very hungry. Very hungry. Cats. Very hungry. The cat's steak. No, it's not steak. It's, I think ankle. Cat's ankle was hurt. Hurt it will be ankle, not ankle, because hurt means hurt in a part of its body. Ankle was hurt, and it was very angry too. Okay. Not a stick. It's ankle. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here is a text and the question below. Let's read it together and answer. Okay. Today it will be lesson 3 only. Next class I will start lesson 4 and 5. Okay. It's a sunny day. This is the story that we read it in the lesson. Okay. Here is coming as a comprehension. But I would like to say don't be aware. Don't be aware that the comprehension and paragraph coming is coming in the exam without seeing it, or comprehension and paragraph is unseen. Okay, comes as some as the lessons that learned in during the year. Yes, some of them come at the lessons that we learned during the year. But I would like to know that the comprehension and paragraphs is unseen in the exam. Okay, this is you must aware of so. Okay, it's a sunny day, and here is angry when she. So here we treated by the hair as she. Okay, she gets to here in can saying she related to what. She is refers to what, to hair here. Yes, you must when we answer you must make your mind. When she gets to her door, she hears a voice. Her is very scared. The animal in her house tells her not to come in because he will eat her. She asks Monkey to help her. Monkey looks interested. The animal in her house tells Monkey not to come in because he will eat her. Monkey and hare are both very scared. They ask an elephant to help them. Elephant goes to hers door. Suddenly hers door opens and mouse runs out. Elephant jumps high in the air. Jumps high in the air. They all laugh. The underline she here refers to what? Refers to her. Monkey and her both are scared. Was inside the house. Space was inside the house. What here inside the house? We will return to the text and answer. I will return to the text and answer this question. Space was inside the house. Inside here is inside the house here. Who helped her when she asked? Who helped her when she asked? Elephant. Elephant. So it will be here elephant. Why did they all laugh? Because the elephant what? The elephant jumped up. Because the elephant jumped up. The answer it will be the last one here. Elephant jumps high in the air. Because the elephant jumps high in the air. Here is the question of rearrange subject plus verb plus object. I think all of us know the rule. I will repeat it more and more to know it. Okay. Here we have the answer. It will be what here. First of all, we search for the subject, then the verb, then the object. If we have a question, we invert the verb instead of what of subject. In what? In the question form. Here we have it will be what? I will come. I will. So the answer it will be I will come. I will come. I will come in. I will come in. I will come in. If you eat you. I will come. I will come in. I will come. I will eat. Sorry. It will be I will come. I will eat you. If you come in, I will eat you. I will eat you. I will eat you. So it's threatened. I will eat you. I will eat you is a threaten. I will eat you if you come in. So it's what is a threaten. I will eat you if you come in. If you come. Here we have inside house. Here a voice hears. Here I will answer to, and I will leave the rest to do it, the last to do it by yourself. I will see you the rule, and you make your mind for the last one to do it by yourself. Here is what hears, because here is the subject verb. Here's a noise, there's a noise inside house, a noise inside house, inside. The would full stop at the end of the sentence. So here we have here, hears, hears a noise, hears a noise inside house. So I leave the last one to do it by yourself, okay? Here we have punctuate. So in this question, what can I do? I underline the long letter to correct it. Here we have he. I start the sentence. When I start sentence by what? By capital letter. So it will be he in capital letter, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Is somebody there? Asked monkey. So here is. I think it's not isn't any mistake here in this sentence. In this sentence we have a mistake, but here don't is somebody here can you say monkey asked, is there so here we have an inverted commas. Monkey asked, is there any, here we have an inverted commas. Is somebody there? We have inverted commas and question mark. Asked monkey. Okay. Today I stop here on lesson 3. Next class I will start lesson 4. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.